Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this Wasserstein Solar Panel for Blink XT and Blink XT2. We get the solar panel for a really attractive price currently on Amazon, and here's the box, how we get it, with a little bit of description here if you need that. And this is what we get. We get this instructions manual. I'm going to show you that really quickly if you're interested into that. We get the mounting or installation material. We get, of course, the solar panel with a large battery inside. And here's the mount of the solar panel, and this is how to attach. There's an arrow here. I hope you can see that. And so we start with this notch here on this side. I hope you can see that. And with the notch in the front, we go into this sliding mechanism. I hope you can see that here. And it's nicely secured. And we just push it a little bit harder to the back, and then it's out very easy. The mount itself is very flexible. You can see we can almost go from this side to full of on the other side, and we can turn it around to every angle, so you can have it like this, or straight, or like this, or almost flat. Even after mounting this to wall or so, we can still move it around almost freely. That's really nice. So actually everybody should find a space where it fits perfectly. And it comes also with this long cable. This is also really helpful, especially when you want to mount the camera in a shady place, and then you have to mount the solar panel in an area which has lots of sun. This definitely helps. And here's the mount, really nice, protected. You can see how to mount this here in the back of the Blink. That's the original Blink, I think. You can remove this cover, and then this fits actually perfectly into this opening while still protecting against water, rain, humidity and so on. So you push this down, and then it's nicely secured against rain and humidity and everything. This is the normal way how to attach, but a lot of people are using such housings here. I can tell you that is also working. I'll show you that. We remove this thing here, and then what we do, we push this safety thing here, this gasket here, a little bit to the back, and then we can reach through the opening here, and then we mount it here. And it doesn't have to be very well protected because we have the additional protection of the housing. And so we push it back, and you can see we can mount this again. You don't have to be worried that this thing is not working. I'm not going to fully secure it, but you can see it's definitely working also for these housings, not only for the simple mount. Then we can take it out. Then another thing which is also very important to know, the batteries inside. And there's a little bit of a discussion about if it's better to remove or to leave the batteries inside. I mean, based on my experience, this solar panel is really powerful enough to power this camera 24/7 as long as it's charged fully and it has a decent sun. I mean, the place where I had it had about 2 hours of sun every day, and it was more than enough to power the camera 24/7 and even build up the charge here inside. But I had removed the batteries at the beginning, and I had it mounted like this, just with the power from here, no batteries inside, because this is actually the recommendation from a lot of people. They are saying, yeah, you should remove the batteries because it's too dangerous. And then I had some problems with reaching the live view, especially during the night. I mean, it was still recording live events, but I couldn't establish live view anymore. So I was then contacting the Wasserstein support, and they recommended to put the batteries back into the cameras, because they are saying in some peak moments it could be better for the camera to have some extra power from the batteries. So what I think is the most safe thing to use, that's lithium-ion batteries, something like that. Which have some internal built controllers, so it's not possible to overcharge and then cause fire or explosion or something like that. So I think this is the safest way to use that, and I'm definitely putting these things back here into the camera to have some extra power in case there is not enough power. But actually I didn't have any problem so far except from the live view. For me this has been working really nice and good, and you can see how nicely it has been holding up. I mean, I had it outside for 3 weeks and it looks like on day one very nice, very beautiful, still really solid. I mean, this is really good built here. I don't see any wear and tear, absolutely nothing. What I also like here is that the mount is plastic, so it's not rusting. You can see also the screw here, absolutely no rust, no nothing. It's really good quality. We had a lot of rain and bad weather and you don't see anything, so I'm really happy with it. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.